We can solve this math in another way. Suppose this is a triangle and this is the radius of this circle. This is the radius of this circle B, and this one is the tangent. So radius and tangent meets each other at a 90 degree or right angle. So I can say this one is 90 degree. So ABD triangle is a right angle triangle. In case of any right angle triangle, the hypotenuse, opposite sides of the right angle, the opposite right angles, opposite side is the hypotenuse. This hypotenuse is the diameter of the circumcircle. This is a triangle. It has 3 vertices. From these 3 vertices, if you draw a circle, and this circle is called circumcircle, and this is the hypotenuse. This is the hypotenuse. This is the hypotenuse of the triangle, and the hypotenuse of the triangle is the diameter of the circle. Again, I want to say you, this is a right angle triangle. This hypotenuse is the diameter of the circumcircle. If we draw a circumcircle, then the hypotenuse of the triangle will be the diameter of the circle. So this is the diameter of the circle. So this is the midpoint of the circle. So I can say the midpoint of this, the midpoint of the hypotenuse or the midpoint of the diameter makes 2 radius. This one is radius, this one is radius. If this one is R, this one is R. This is the diameter of the circle. This is the midpoint. This one is R and this one is R. Equal. In case of this right angle triangle, this one is right angle. So this is the midpoint of the hypotenuse. And this midpoint of the hypotenuse, that means midpoint of the hypotenuse, this is the hypotenuse of this triangle. This is the right angle. Opposite of the right angle is the hypotenuse. And this hypotenuse of midpoint is the center of the circumcircle. So the midpoint of this line. And this is the diameter of the circle. This is the midpoint of the this triangle. So this is the radius and this is the radius. These 2 sides is equal. That means AE equals EB. Again, if you from this point, if you draw another line from this point to here, from this point to here, this is another radius. From the midpoint of this diameter to the vertices, if you add, you get another radius. This is the radius, this is the radius, this is the radius. So this is the diameter, this is the radius, this is the radius, this is another radius. And B is the radius of this circle and BD is the radius of this circle. So I can say AE equals EB equals BD equals DE. All the 4 lines are equal. This line equals this line equals this line equals this lines. In DBE triangle, all the 3 lines are equal. So all the 3 angles are equal. That means 60 degree. This angle is 60 degree, this angle is 60 degree, this angle is 60 degree. So this angle will be 180 minus 60, that means 120. This angle is 120. The value of this angle is 120. And in this triangle, ADE, in this triangle, this side and this side is equal. So this angle and this angle is equal. The value of this angle is 120. So the value of this two angle is 60. So this angle is 30 and this angle is 30. The value of this angle will be 30 and the value of this angle is 30. The value of this angle is 30. So the value of this angle is 30. So the value of this angle is 60. Okay. If you draw a circle, or if you place a coin on a table, if you place another coins in its side, then this coin will take the two tangent, make the angle. This angle will take 60 degree. Similarly, if you draw another circle, this circle will make another 60 degree angle in its center. If you draw another circle, this circle will make another 60 degree. In the same way, you can place in total. The total angle in this circle is 360. Every angle will take 60 degree. So, if you divide 6, then you can place 6 circles surrounding the center circle. Or you can place 6 coins centering the first coin. Math is very hard, but math is very easy if you just practice with me. Okay, this is 27, so the answer is 6.